Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu states, once I, even before the first prayer call in the morning, went out of Madinah Munawwara, and the she camels of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam were grazing there at the Qarad. I there came across the slave of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, who said, the she camels of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have been poached. I inquired who have poached them. He replied, some people of Banu Qatfan. Hazrat ibn Aqwa says, I shouted out, Ya Sabaha, thrice so loudly that my voice reached from one edge of Madinah Munawwara to the other. I then rushed straight ahead and overtook them at the Qarad while they were watering the animals. I started shooting arrows at them, and while shooting I was saying, I am the son of Aqwa. It is the day of the annihilation of the means. I kept uttering this battle cry until I recovered the she camels from them, as well as snatching 30 chadors of them. Meanwhile, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by the companions, reached there. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have not let them drink water, though they are thirsty. So dispatch the people in their pursuit to arrest them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Ibn Aqwa, you have taken the things overpowering them. Now show leniency. Then we came back, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam seated me on his she camel until we reached Madinah Munawwara. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4653.